Hello friends, in this video we will teach you how to upload a bulk product in HS billing software. So first you need to open the product form. When product form will be open, then open Excel template. So when you click on that one, then Excel template will be open. So you see, so you need to add the data accordingly. If you don't know any field, so you leave as it is blank, or maybe you can set the zero. So you can prepare the template according this template, and just save it. Okay, so I am just closing this window. Okay, so again I save and replace it, so this will be closed. Okay, so after that you can click on import product data, and you need to select the template like this one. So click on open, then you see data import completed. Then you can see your data will be here. So in this thing you just remember this thing. Item name is compulsory. If you leave other fields as a blank, then software will automatically handle these thing also. So item name is a compulsory, so you will set these things and upload these product. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for how to upload product in HS billing software. Thank you.